Good afternoon. Thanks for joining me for Hard Money Happy Hour. Hope you had a great week. Have a Natty Boh beer here. Start off the weekend, finish out the week. At least we have some sun. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I want to discuss really briefly this week where some of the values are and how we deal with situations where people are buying places at numbers that we think are a little higher than they should be. As I've mentioned for the last, year now, the market is hot. It continues to be hot. It really hasn't slowed. It's an incredible market, incredible opportunity to make money. No question about that. Having said that, you have to make sure you're not overpaying. You have to make sure you're buying things right as much as you can, and then making the decision as to whether you should walk away from that property or pursue it, thinking that the long-term profit and long-term opportunity is still there. So that's really something we work very closely with our clients to analyze and to assess. We work to make sure you're buying it right, and if not, let's help you crunch those numbers. So we have some clients, we had a few recently this past week, who were paying a little more than we felt comfortable with and a little more than we felt was the right number for them to profit on it. We did the analysis, we did the math, and they still wanted to pursue the property. And that's perfectly fine with us. We're still able to fund it. We were still open to funding it. What we did have them do is we had them put a little more down payment down so there was a little more equity, a little more room in there. Nothing wrong with putting more money down. It actually can be a really good thing because it means you'll have that much more equity. You own that much more of the property and you've borrowed that much less against the property. So that's how we work with clients in counseling them on making sure the math works, counseling on figuring out whether you're paying too much and how your short-term and long-term profit will look, and most importantly, making sure the financing works for you and for us, quite frankly, because we're in this together to make sure this is a profitable endeavor all the way through. Have a wonderful weekend. Look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for tuning in.